Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn with Akanksha. I am Mrs. Akanksha and today I'm going to tell you something about National Technology Day. So as you all know, today is National Technology Day, which is observed every year on May 11. National Technology Day acts as a reminder of India's technological advancements. Notably, National Technology Day on January 6th recognizes the way technology changes the world and looks to the future of technology. From the wheel to smartphones, each year the day honors technological achievements made that impact on our daily lives. Imagine the world without technology. In our daily lives, we can't take a step without coming into contact with a form of it. The world is abuzz with technology. Outside of the healthcare sector, tech jobs are one of the strongest and fastest growing divisions. And let's face it, technology is at the center of most jobs these days. From agriculture, healthcare and fitness to entertainment, food service and security, we use technology to keep us organized, connected, healthy and safe. One area of the tech world that continues to advance and affect our lives is apps, short for applications. With the advent of smartphones, apps are way more than just games or photo editing. As you all know, May 11 each year reminds India of its glorious technological strength. The 11th day of May does have a glorious reason for its celebration as a National Technology Day. On May 11, 1998, India successfully test-fired the Shakti first nuclear missile at the Indian Army's Pokhran test range in Rajasthan, in an operation led by aerospace engineer and late President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. 2 days later, the country successfully tested two more nuclear weapons as a part of the same Pokhran 2 Operation Shakti initiative. Pokhran first was the 1974 test firing of the Smiling Buddha missile. Following this, then the Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee declared India a nuclear state, making it the sixth country to join the Nuclear Club of Nations and the first one that was not party to the Treaty on the Non-Proliferation of Nuclear Weapons (NPT), an international treaty signed by the US, Russia, the UK, France and China, which aims to prevent the spread of nuclear weapons and hopes to achieve nuclear disarmament. Becoming the world's sixth nuclear state wasn't the only feat India achieved on that day. Do you know how National Technology Day celebration take place? On this day, TDB conferred national awards to the most noteworthy individuals, institutions and businesses of the year. The Department of Science and Technology, Department of Biotechnology, the Ministry of Earth Sciences, the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research and several other scientific departments are the part of this event. The people are awarded for their contribution so that they excel more and more in their research by the President of India. The Ministry of Science and Technology also coordinates different events across India. All the decorations and plannings of the event should be done according to the theme. A script, speech or essay competitions organized in several institutions. Theme-based articles are also promoted, etc. Therefore, it is necessary to create interest and awareness about the science and technology to the students. No doubt, National Technology Day is a great way to encourage youth of the country to come forward and also in the way to appreciate the scientists, researchers for India's growing technology. This day, National Technology, which is NTD, is held every year on May 11 to celebrate India's achievements in science and technology and to mark the historic feat of test firing its very first nuclear-capable missile in 1998 at Pokhran. At last, I want to say we are really grateful to our scientists and the political leaderships for the courage shown in Pokhran in 1998. So that's all for today. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video on National Technology Day, so please give like. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get the notifications. So I'll meet you in the next video. Up till then, bye bye and take care. Bye.